Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jayla Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this curly ponytail with the side swoop hairstyle. And it's actually really simple and easy, but before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make more videos like this. So without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. To start off, I'm working on an old twist out and I'm going to be making the part and sectioning out the bangs. When parting out your bangs, you want to make sure that the section isn't too thick, because the thicker the section is, the harder it's going to be to slick it down. And once my bangs are sectioned out, I'm going to tie them up and start working on the ponytail. I already had some gel left in my hair from the previous style, so I'm going to be spraying some water all around to loosen that up and also to make my hair a lot easier to brush down when slicking the ponytail. For this part, you're going to need a hard bristle brush because it makes it much easier for your ponytail to have a smooth finish, and you can easily find it at your local beauty supply store. So after going around and brushing my hair with just water, I'm going to go in and add some olive oil eco styler gel. This is the holy grail. You already know if you watch my videos. But yeah, and if you say it didn't work for you, then you wasn't using it right. No, just playing. But honestly, yeah, this works best for me. I just go around the whole perimeter of the slick back with a very generous amount. So to tie off the ponytail, I'm going in with my trusty dusty stocking. I always use a stocking for my puffs, ponytails, all that. It's preferable to use a stocking that's close to your hair color, but you can easily tie the ends around so that they don't show, or you can bobby pin them in place, so it doesn't really matter. And to secure the ponytail, I'm going to be tying the stocking around my ponytail as many times as possible until the ends are too short, and then later on I'm going to use some hairpins to pin my hair over them and to just make sure they're in place and that they're not seen. To make sure any frizziness or flyaways are laid down, I'm going in with my toothbrush and some gel and brushing them, and also I'm going to be doing my edges on the side of my hair that's going to be shown. Now for the bang, I'm going to dampen up my hair with some water and brush it all the way through to get all the tangles out. Once the section is completely tangle free, I'm going to take some of the gel and my hard bristle brush and start brushing my hair into the swoop. While brushing the section, I made sure to follow up with my second hand to make sure all of the hair was smoothed down and that the swoop is as flat as it can possibly be. Once you get to the end of the swoop where your ear is, you're going to take your hairpin. I highly recommend hairpins over bobby pins because Bobby pins tend to stick out, whereas hairpins look very discreet and will keep your hair in place. So you're going to take that, and with the rest of your hair, you're going to twist it around itself and just keep hairpinning it in place until you get to the ponytail so that it doesn't show. Once your swoop is in place, you can go back with your toothbrush and really define it, make sure it's nice and smooth, and fill in any gaps. And while the style is drying, I'm going to put on a bandana to make sure that my edges and my swoop lay down. And to create some volume, I'm going to pick my hair, trying not to disturb the curls. To speed up the drying process, I went ahead and blow dried my hair for around 10 minutes just to make sure that the surface of my hair dries smooth. To make this style ultra sleek, you could blow dry your hair for longer than 10 minutes, but I was running out of time, so I just took off the bandana, and for any flyaways or pieces that didn't want to stay down, I just went in with a little bit more gel and my toothbrush. To conceal the twisted section of my swoop, I hairpinned my ponytail down over it, and then I did the exact same thing on the other side so that the ponytail was even. Now it's time for the finishing touches, so you can add some hair accessories or smooth your hair down a little bit more if it needs, and that concludes the look. Alright y'all, so you have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment down below what hairstyles you'd like me to do next, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my future uploads. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.